Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming eligibility and completing enlistment forms, then move immediately into focused physical work. Do structured runs and interval swims 2 to 3 times weekly because conditioning prevents early setbacks. At the same time, study Navy customs and uniform rules so you won't be surprised on day one. Once done, organize documents and authorized gear in a single carry bag and rehearse morning routines. These practical steps reduce stress and let you focus on training, not logistics. You must treat each training day as non-negotiable. Wake early, complete inspections, engage fully in physical training, and absorb classroom instruction. Emphasize recovery, sleep and hydration make workouts effective, so schedule short mobility sessions between drills. Practice leadership by taking responsibility during team tasks, because displaying reliability earns trust and better assignments. Once confident, track your progress weekly with simple metrics and make incremental adjustments. That ongoing feedback loop converts raw effort into steady, measurable improvement. You finish by focusing on assessments and practical demonstrations, swim, run, strength, and knowledge tests, so allocate final weeks to targeted practice. Make parade and inspection routines automatic through repetition, because small mistakes cost points under pressure. If a test goes wrong, don't wait. Request remedial PT or extra classroom time and work with a mentor who can isolate the issue. Finally, visualize graduation tasks daily. That mental rehearsal reduces anxiety and helps you perform precisely.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.